Welcome back to our channel, guys. In this video we're gonna see about how to earn free USDT with this website, guys. Okay, it's a easy and simple method, so don't miss it out. Just watch video carefully and make money with us, guys. Okay, so before that, this is our official Telegram channel, CryptoTechViews. Okay, if you're not a join in our channel, just join it immediately. Here you can getting a lot of airdrops on daily basis, guys. Okay, a lot of free airdrops. You can daily join on free airdrops and make money with us, guys. Okay, let's get into the video, guys. Okay, so today's video is nothing USDT mining, guys. Okay, it's a free website that you can earn daily free earning here, guys. Okay, so just watch video carefully, guys. Okay, guys, I'm sharing the link in the description. Okay, just click on the link and open it. Okay, so just click on the link and open it, so the page will be loaded like this, guys. Okay, so about this page, okay, Energizer, this is the website, and about this page, so everything will be shown here. Okay, so total replenishment, total payout, users, work time, and a lot of things are given here. Okay, you can check it out here. So payout without cash points, limits, lot of about the website, lot of things are given here. So just you can come down and click on registration. Okay, just you guys, first of all, if you are guys are seeing this website, just click on registration upside. Okay, just click on registration. So this is my account is logged out. Okay, so click on registration first order. Okay, so once you click on registration, there will be asking your email ID and password. Okay, so enter your email ID and password, or else just give a username. Okay, or else just give a username. So and enter your password. Okay, just choose a password, then click on confirm registration, guys. Okay, so once you confirm registration, just click on login option. Okay, here it will be showing. Okay, login option. So once you log in, enter your user ID and password, your account will be logged in, guys. Okay, so here it is showing, guys. Okay, a lot of things: home, account settings, payment, everything is shown here. Okay, so about the website, 6 work time, 4,904 users, total paid out this much. So a lot of things are given in this website, guys. Okay, so bonus funds, if you once your registration is done, you will be getting $10 bonus funds. Okay, I'm showing here, see here, $10 bonus funds. Okay, this is a $10 bonus fund. Okay, see here, $10 bonus funds, this is the thing. And after that, the bonus, how much if you deposit. Okay, by depositing the amount also you can earn, without depositing also you can earn. Okay, your balance, your partners, everything is shown here. So miner, it is mining, see here, guys. Okay, miner, this is a miner option. So here it is mining, guys. Okay, see here. So right now I have $0.0007. Okay, so you can collect it, I will show you that later. So at the moment your speed is 0.05 for 24 hours, guys. Okay, $0.05 for 24 hours. Okay, so minimum deposit $1. How much you want to invest, you can invest with this website. So based on that, your profit will be calculated, guys. Okay, so if you are investing $100, $40 per day you will be getting. Okay, if you are investing $100, $40 per day you will be getting. For withdrawal of 4 days, $160 you will be getting. Within 4 days, $160 you will be getting, guys. Okay, to republish the optimization amount, $100, select the payment. Okay, so based on then how much you want to invest, you can invest that. Okay, so this is user contribution. Okay, latest user contribution. This is a withdrawal history, payment summary. Okay, total paid out is $2,559, and the total reply interest is 4,597, guys. Okay, so that much investing. So here collecting for withdrawal purpose is very simple, just click on the collect option. Okay, so if it is collecting, you have collected the income in your amount 0.00081 USDT. Okay, so that will be directly, we can withdraw that one, guys. Okay, it's a easy. Okay, so minimum mining 0.0001 you can collect it here, and you can withdraw that also, guys. Okay, so how to start, contacts, registration, or login, lot of options available. So here click on account option. Okay, so account option, it will be shown here. Then click on settings option. So payment settings, your payee wallet. Okay, this is a payee wallet ID, it is shown here. And payment option, click on payment option. Okay, this is a payment option. So your balance is 0.0008. Okay, minimum payout amount is $0.5. Okay, your wallet is wallet settings, click on wallet settings. Okay, oh, this is the payer wallet. Okay, this is my payer wallet, so directly it was transferred to my payer wallet. Okay, so it's a simple method, guys. Okay, so like this we can earn a lot of money with this, guys. Okay, so just click on home button, so click on account option. So how much you want to invest? If you want to invest $100, just click on 100 here and click on pay your option. Okay, click on pay your option. So this is the copy wallet ID, wallet number, guys. Okay, copy the wallet number, and similar with the example they have given how you can do the transaction. And finally just enter the transaction ID and click on payment, guys. Okay, check payment. So your account will be automatically credited, and that you can earn on daily basis, guys. Okay, so that much good website. This is paying good. So if you are investing $100, you can earn daily $40. If you are investing $1,000, then you can earn $400 daily. Okay, so like that you can earn more. So minimum basis, if you are investing $10, you can earn $4 daily, and 4 days $16. Okay, if you are investing $1, you can invest you can get $0.4 daily, guys. Okay, like that also you can earn here. So this is a good website, paying good, so don't miss it out, everybody. This is the beginning of the website, so everybody can make more money with this website, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. We'll see you in a great video. Thank you, guys.